as far as photography goes, um, I didn't even know, you guys, and being brutally honest here, I didn't know there was a creative side to photography. Um, I knew that I didn't know enough when I chose to be self-employed, if you will. So I wanted to seek out the business side of photography, and I also wanted to seek out the technical side of photography because, at the time, that's what I felt like I knew. Um, I think one of my superpowers, especially when I don't know something, is I can dive in and just start absorbing everything. I'm a studier, even though my grades wouldn't reflect that in high school, that's for sure. But now, much later in life, I do tend to just research the heck out of everything, and then as far as my journey goes in photography, I would seek out professionals in fields that I respected, whether that be lighting, posing, family portraits, you name it. I would seek out those workshops and seek out groups that also catered to the business side of photography, and then get in tight with those and learn as much as I could.